Villagers of Singda have questioned if the state BJP government is under Assam Rifles and Kuki militants and if its administration does not exist when there is no war. Addressing media persons at a press meet held yesterday at Singda Khadangban Part 1, advisor of Singda Naharol Yaifa Thoni Kanglup and Bobby asked what steps had the state and the central government have taken up to safeguard the villages in the peripheral areas near the hills and what substantial step has been initiated to bring a solution to the violence that has lasted for nearly 4 months now. He said, a village volunteer was killed in a gun attack at Singda Khadangban by Kuki militants on July 10th. The villagers thought gradually violence has subsided in the region until the Kuki terrorists launched a fresh attack again on August 15 around 10 p.m. Decrying such state of complete turmoil, Bobby questioned if this is the peace and normalcy the state and central governments claim to have been both. He further raised queries if SP of Imphal West, DIG, IZ are under Assam Rifles and why Assam Rifles stopped MR and BSF from firing. If IG, DIG, MR and BSF are to be restricted from exercising their power, remove both the state and central forces from the state, he demanded. Let the villagers protect the village for the sake of future generation if the state government is unable to resolve the current crisis, Bobby maintained.
Inglabaniana Hoi Santi, Pagalabaniana Hoi, Wakalzi Noajana, Lajarubani, Adubo, Handa Ikan Kango, the Narang, Tabana Maramoraga, Kutum Savaloga, military Singa, Akoi, Haribasinga, Kulasita, Tatanarang, no Maru Round, could try and capsule of Matutra, Yum the no Maru Mayam, Panguna, Sina Maramorganda, Kari, Idamakta, Akoi. Skuma no may kapan gani habagi peace wari sanaruri para natragana peace talks in a karambag matam the peace program in habagi wapam makoi hanging wapam lady akoi ki jagada no may mun kapsal pa akoi ki protection toriba emar khandi bse kangdana no may kapay areti gambiba skuma may amase akoi tasena prajam akoi yamna noajade I am strongly condemn tawe sikumba moina kapapodan yaraga akoi na kapata yaru to targati Mafam is Lariba, Manipur Rifle Kangde, BSA Kong the Mazil of Topigro, Karino Hamatamda, Moina Kapatazu, Yaraga, Akwiki, Sonda Liberiba, Akwik Kunzanga, Piri, Basil Protection, Tonabik Damata, Hanabik Damaka, Matam Yadava, other Pirate and Kapi at the target, Loita Pigro, Asana Patula Pigro, BSA Floto Pigro, Yamars Loto Pigro, Lariba Volunteer Maps in Away, Masen, Tang Pivan, the Your Pivan, any of Hatona, but the Hatul, Angama Miduna Kulsida Moile, or Sino when I